Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bralette. So the materials we're going to make use of is tape roll, bias or white one, any material of your choice. I'm making use of lace material, any fabric of your choice. I'm making use of lace fabric or material, scissors, ruler, tape roll, and a pen or marker. So they didn't make use of the elastic, so let's just skip that part and continue. So what we're going to do here is to measure our 4 inches. Just follow the steps, just look at it the way I'm showing you guys, and this depends on the size of your boobs. Okay, just follow the process as you're seeing it, and yeah, you're going to achieve your aim, because I achieved my aim. Done cutting, you should have 4 pieces, which we're going to sew 2 together. And I forgot to mention, I added lining to mine because obviously it's a lace material and it's going to be exposed. If you want to add cup to it, a bra cup, you can use that, but I prefer lining. And I added an opening at the top. That's where our strap is going to pass through. I'm going to fix our strap there. The length of your strap and how long you want the lower part to be, just measure that part and just look at the way I did it, and then sew it together. We are done sewing the front part of our bralette. So what I want to do to the back is get a long strap. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Get a long strap, cut it and sew it by the side. Then I just want to tie it at the back. Next thing we're going to do is to sew the handle along with the lower part that we're going to be tying at the back. Just watch the way I'm doing it. This way, yes, just sew it and we're done with our bralette. I'm going to show you how it looks so amazing. I'm going to put it on and you guys are going to see it. So guys, I tried ironing it and it got stained. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. This is how it's looking like. Isn't it amazing? I didn't want to expose much of my body, that's why I'm making use of this tube, but even without it, it looks really amazing. Please guys, give it a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.